When students go to post a response to a Canvas discussion board, they have access to a full rich content editor to compose their response. By selecting the Record Upload Media button from the toolbar, students can then record a response on the spot or upload a media file they had previously recorded elsewhere. Media responses are a great way for students to share recordings from a shared screen, showcase video projects, and interact with their classmates face-to-face in a virtual format. Posting media to a discussion board is very similar to using Flipgrid, but it bypasses needing an integration, so it's a great alternative to use on the fly. Once the Record Media tool is opened, students can select and connect the camera and microphone of their choice before pressing the Start Record button. Additionally, students could select the No Video option if they simply need to share an audio recording or if they're feeling a bit camera shy. Once the recording is complete, students can name the media file or start over if they want a second take. Naming the media file is really helpful, especially if a student wishes to locate and use this media file for a different assessment later on. They can find these files at a later date in the user files of their Canvas account. Once saved, the media post is added to the threaded discussion for the rest of the class to interact with. Student video responses to their peers will be consolidated into SpeedGrader along with their original post, making the process of providing instructor feedback or assessing on a rubric a piece of cake.